Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by exposing the battery compartment. Press the center tab and slide the back cover down about 1/4 of an inch. You should feel it click. Once the cover is loose, lift it straight off with a fingernail or a small flat tool to avoid bending plastic. Make sure you're working on a soft surface so the cover or screws won't fall. You're removing the housing now so you can access the battery clip without forcing anything and risking breakage. Once the housing is off, locate the CR 2032 coin cell and note its orientation. The plus side is usually visible. You want to lift the battery from the retaining clip using a plastic pry tool or your fingernail, slow, steady pressure at the edge. If it's snug, rock it gently side to side. Don't wedge a metal screwdriver under the cell because that can short the contacts or scratch the board. After the cell clears the clip, tilt it out. To finish, place a fresh CR 2032 into the clip with the same orientation you noted earlier. Press it fully into place so the contacts touch, and then realign the back cover. Slide the cover up until it snaps. You should hear a click. Once assembled, power on or pair the shield and test all buttons. If it doesn't respond, make sure the battery is seated correctly and inspect the contacts for corrosion. Cleaning lightly with isopropyl and a cotton swab can restore connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.